Stop buying bulky audio receivers. This tiny wall panel replaces your entire sound system. Inside the box of the DSPPA DMA3080, it's clean and minimal. You get the mini host itself, look at that sleek, modern finish. The mounting bracket, a handy remote control, and your mounting screws. No mess, no unnecessary clutter. It fits right flush into your wall. Don't let the size fool you. Under the hood, this is an Android-powered powerhouse featuring a gorgeous 5.5-inch TFT capacitive touchscreen. Let's talk raw power. It pumps out 2 channels of 20 watts at 8 ohms. That is 40 watts total of crisp, hi-fi digital audio driven by a built-in Sigma DSP processor for deep equalizer tuning. It's more than enough to fill your apartment, office, or retail shop with premium sound. Now, how do you hook it up? This thing is an absolute connectivity beast. On the back, you've got physical speaker terminals to run wires straight to your ceiling or wall speakers. You also get an AUX input, an RS485 smart home interface, and an I/O trigger for doorbell integration. For music sources, you name it, it's got it. You can connect wirelessly via Bluetooth, hook up to your internet via Wi-Fi or wired LAN, or use AirPlay and DLNA to stream straight from your phone. It even has an SD card slot for local music and can play 1080p HD video right on the screen. It has independent scheduling, an intercom feature, and full app control. If you want a smart, invisible, and powerful home audio setup, this is it. Drop a comment below. Would you install this in your home? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more smart tech reviews.